Hey ladies, today I'm sharing my ultimate feminine hygiene routine to help you stay fresh and fabulous all day long. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, let's talk about showers. I usually start my day with a refreshing shower using a gentle pH-balanced body wash. It's essential to use products that don't disrupt your natural pH levels down there. Remember, less is more when it comes to fragrance and harsh chemicals. Opt for something mild and soothing. Now let's move on to exfoliation. I exfoliate my body about 2 to 3 times a week to keep my skin smooth and radiant. A gentle scrub is perfect for getting rid of dead skin cells and keeping ingrown hairs at bay. Make sure to be gentle and avoid over-exfoliating, especially around sensitive areas. Next up, intimate hygiene. I cannot stress enough the importance of using unscented, gentle products for your intimate areas. Avoid douching or using strong soaps as they can cause irritation and upset your natural balance. Invest in a good quality, unscented intimate wash and use it daily. Deodorant, an absolute must-have in any hygiene routine. I prefer using a natural deodorant that is free from aluminum and parabens. It's not only better for your skin, but also helps prevent irritation. Apply it generously after your shower and carry a travel size one for touch-ups throughout the day. Hydration is key for feeling fresh from the inside out. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin glowing. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and add some fresh fruit or cucumber slices for a bit of flavor. Now let's talk about underwear. Always choose breathable cotton underwear to allow air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. Avoid tight-fitting clothes and synthetic fabrics that can trap heat and moisture, leading to discomfort. Don't forget to change your sanitary products regularly during your period. Whether you use pads, tampons, or menstrual cups, it's crucial to change them every 4-6 hours to avoid odor and infections. And always carry some extras in your bag, just in case. Lastly, let's talk about staying fresh on the go. I always carry a small hygiene kit in my handbag. It includes wet wipes, a travel-sized deodorant, and a fresh pair of underwear. You never know when you might need a quick refresh. So there you have it, my top tips and tricks to stay fresh and confident all day long. Remember, everybody is different, so find a routine that works best for you and stick to it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and stay fabulous, ladies.